Hi everybody, it's the Sing Song Man. Yes, I've got my summer outfit on, but I've also got a brolly, as you can see. I'm having a bit of fun trying to get the logistics sorted of having an umbrella up, a guitar, a hat, sunglasses, glasses, lyrics. So we'll see what happens. The umbrella is important in this song. Now, this is an old classic that not many people would remember, I think. But anyone who remembers the Northway pub in Scarborough will probably remember this song. And also, there it goes. Oh, I will leave it there, see if it lasts. If it goes in the middle of the song, I'm just going to leave it. You just carry on, don't you? Keep calm and carry on. And it's for Benny, who's in California, where the song is set. Got on board a westbound 747. Didn't think before deciding what to do. All that talk of opportunity, TV breaks and movies, sure rang true, sure rang true. Seems it never rains in Southern California. Seems I've often heard that kind of talk before. It never rains in California, but boy don't they warn you, man it pours, man it pours. I'm out of work, out of my head, out of self-respect, I'm out of bread, I'm underloved, I'm underfed, I wanna go home. It never rains in California, but girl, don't they warn you how it pours, man it pours. Will you tell the folks back home I nearly made it? I had offers, but don't know which one to take. Please don't tell them how you found me. Don't tell them how you found me. Give me a break. Give me a break. Come on. Seems it never rains in Southern California. Seems I've often heard the kind of talk before. It never rains in California, but boy don't they warn you how it pours, man it pours, yeah it pours, man it pours. Alright, okay, and well done to the brolly for staying up and not moving, and I hope you enjoyed that. That was a bit different, wasn't it? Yeehaw! Okay, California dreaming. All right, I'll see you soon, everybody. Bye now. Bye.